up for the Power Ambassador Program, and welcome to the Power family. My name's Irene, and I help run the training department here at Power. We've made this video to help get you started quickly and easily as a Power Solar Ambassador. I'll share some of the details here with you, but if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out to the consultant who referred you. So let's jump into it. Talking to people about solar is actually really easy. We have an initial interest script, which you can find on the home page of your Ambassador portal. Many people are already talking about solar. Even just talking about the weather can lead to a conversation about solar. It's so hot today. The sun sure does give off a lot of energy. Keep the conversation casual. And remember, you just need to get their utility bill, some basic pieces of contact information, and then we can set them up with a free energy savings report. We also put together a homeowner FAQ sheet. Probably the most common pushback is, I heard it was expensive, but zero down solar options can actually make it less expensive than your current utility bill. Not everyone qualifies, but my consultant will be happy to take a look and see if it could actually save you money monthly. A few other common replies are, I don't need it right now, or I thought it was free. All of these questions are answered in the homeowner FAQ. Don't know the answer? No problem. You can always say something like, that's a great question. I actually don't know all the details on how it works, but my solar representative has helped their other clients learn more about solar and make sure they get a good deal if they decide to go for it. They can also answer any questions you have on energy savings. Would you be interested in learning more? Once someone has expressed interest, you just need to get a couple pieces of information in order to make sure they are a qualified lead or someone who could actually get solar for their home. All you need is a utility bill, some basic contact information, first name, last name, phone number, and email, and they should say that they are interested, so that when the solar expert calls, they are expecting this call and ready to set a 45-minute appointment the same week if possible. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to find your affiliate link on your dashboard where people can fill this information out. You can either collect and enter their details, or you can send them your link. As a reminder, you will get $1,000 for every deal that closes. The installation process typically takes 45 to 60 days from the time they sign the contract. The customer journey is as follows. Once you've submitted the lead, let us know so we can set up an appointment with them. If the system makes sense for them, we'll have them sign a contract and get started on the solar setup process. You can see in the referral dashboard what stage of the process your referrals are in. Feel free to reach out if you want a more detailed rundown or have a specific question on where a lead is at in the process. As you move forward, we want to be there to support you, so we provided a couple extra resources. We'll be sending out a monthly newsletter with additional resources to help you achieve more. Now that you've watched this video, follow up with your consultant to let them know that you are on board. If you haven't signed up already, take the next 60 seconds right now to follow the link that your consultant sent over and get started with this free program. Thank you for your help. We're excited to help build your success with Power.